Buenos dias! Yes, this is the day we have been waiting for. The arrival of our parent stocks for our free-range poultry farming in Zamboanga City. Our city is located in the far western part of the island of Mindanao in the Philippines. Since we started chicken farming in the mid of 2019, we acquired 8 Rhode Island red hens and 1 rooster. It all started to provide our family with eggs to have a somewhat sense of food security as lockdowns and quarantine measures began due to COVID-19 pandemic. After a while, we started selling some of our brown eggs to our friends and relatives and found out that the demand for brown free-range eggs is high. However, there is no hatchery or breeders near our area that can supply us with legitimate and certified breeds of quality chicken to increase our egg production capacity. So my wife and I decided to import quality breed of chicken for free-range egg production and be a certified breeders ourselves. We are now on our way to the Zamboanga City International Airport to get our day-old parent stock from H&N, an international poultry genetic company in Germany. Whether you are a poultry farmer or someone planning to start a poultry farm, this video aims to show and inspire others on how we acquire our parent stocks. So join us.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life